I'm going to show you how I make one of my favorite breakfast foods. Aw snap. The mix I have is only good for pancakes, but that's okay. I got a hack for this. Go ahead and get the bag open. These scissors must have been safety scissors because I can't really open the bag that well. Hey, Karen. Use some clear water to rehydrate the pancakes. It should look something like this. If you overmix, just stir in the other direction. Go ahead and spray the pan with Pam. Butterfly. Go ahead and cook your raw pancakes. Meet Tina. She's new. She just came in today. Nice, it's ready. Next, you want to go ahead and grease the waffle iron with some Pam. I once went to school with a girl named Non-Stick Spray. We tried calling her Pam, but it didn't stick. Next, you want to go ahead and take the burnt cake and put it in the waffle iron to burn it some more and turn it into a waffle. Make sure you turn on the child safety lock so children don't get hurt. It'll take about 2 minutes to cook. I'm going to go ahead and prepare the toppings. Let's go ahead and check on our waffle. Perfect. Also perfect. This recipe is incomplete without fresh whipped cream. I use 1 part milk and 1 part air and 2 forks for maximum whippage. Perfect. Go ahead and take your waffle and add some blueberries and some bananas to make it fancy. The air for the whipped cream must have expired, so I'm just going to serve it in a dish. Perfect. Taste test. Mmm.